What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is many things. Affiliate marketing can provide the necessary tools for the creative and hardworking individual to venture out on their own. Affiliate marketing can provide the opportunity to earn money doing what you are good at. Affiliate marketing can allow someone to use their skills and expertise for their own financial gain, rather than the financial gain of another person or entity. Finally, affiliate marketing can get people started in their own business enterprises with nearly no cost or risk to themselves. Affiliate marketing can do all of those things and more. First, affiliate marketing is perfect for the independent hardworking individual. Many of us are stuck in day-to-day jobs. We work incredibly hard and receive little reward. There is nearly no incentive to work harder. When you work in the field of affiliate marketing, the world is your oyster. You paid by your performance, so the harder you work, generally the better off you'll be. When you work as an affiliate, you are working as a representative of another company. However, your reward is directly linked with what you produce. If you're someone who frequently gets good results at work, then this could be a great opportunity for you. Next, affiliate marketing can provide the opportunity to earn money by doing something that you are good at. Those that have a knack for sales and marketing are perfect for affiliate marketing. Those that are creative and used to hard work can also make an excellent living. Your skills will be used to work for you. If you have a natural knack for these kinds of projects, then why not have them increase your bank balance and not someone else's? As an affiliate, anything that you do to increase sales or traffic that is internet-based will benefit you and you directly. The company won't get rich while you stay poor. You're the one who will reap the rewards. Finally, affiliate marketing can get someone started in their own business at nearly no cost or risk to themselves. Many of us would love to work for ourselves. The two main reasons why we don't are money and risk. You need a decent amount of capital to start even a small business. The risk involved is also tremendous, with more than half of small businesses failing in the first year. Affiliate marketing can get you started working for yourself. They handle all of the products and advertising, and you just concentrate on selling. If yours is an internet-based program, you concentrate on increasing traffic. Most of these programs are free or involve very low initial startup costs. You're paid according to how well you do, regardless of how the company is performing. If you have dreamed of working for yourself, then affiliate marketing can be your dream come true. You can make money based on your hard work. You are the one rewarded for your efforts, not a boss or a group of shareholders. You don't have to worry about financial risk. The head company will take care of all the detail, allowing you to use your skills to the best of your ability. If you're creative, hardworking, and want to be your own boss, consider the world of affiliate marketing. Your skills and expertise could be increasing your bank balance, not someone else's.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.